Hey guys, welcome to my bathroom. We're doing something a little bit different for today's video. I just thought it'd be fun to film in here because this is where I do my hair every day. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this really tight curled, messy, voluminous look. And I have a very fine hair type. When I wear my hair in tighter curls, I always get tons of compliments, so I wanted to go ahead and do something that I felt that makes my hair look more voluminous. It kind of tricks you into thinking I have a lot more hair than I really do. Today I'm partnering with Herbal Essences on this hair tutorial, and I want to show you something that they just came out with for the holiday season that I really think you guys will like. They are these sets that they have released, and you can buy them at Walmart, and what I love about them is that they're under $10 and you get 3 full-size products in there, which is basically getting a product for free. In this particular set that I picked up, this is the Peace, Love, and Voluminous set, and it's just because I love volumizing products. They work really well for my hair. This is the Bio-Renew collection, meaning that this is 90% naturally derived ingredients. A lot of these have 0 parabens, there's no gluten, colorants, sometimes some of these don't have any silicones. They're just kind of a better option if you're looking for that, and not to mention it's super affordable. So in this set you'll get the Naked Volume White Grapefruit and Mocha Mint shampoo and conditioner. Both are really great. They smell so good. Do you remember those old commercials? Oh yes. I'm feeling that with these. And then you also get a full-size White Grapefruit and Mocha Mint dry shampoo. So I think that's so awesome because dry shampoo is something I use literally every single day, to be able to go to grab my shampoo and conditioner and get a free dry shampoo, and all of that is under $10. Like, that is such a steal. So make sure to hit up your local Walmart to find these. They make really great gift ideas if you're looking for somebody or for yourself. I think this is a great teacher gift idea. This is great for teenagers, anybody that loves beauty, anybody that wants to pamper themselves. So let's just go ahead. We're gonna get started with this hair tutorial. I love this look for the holiday season and beyond, but if you're looking for something a little extra flirty and fun, this hair look is for you. So let's go ahead and get this hair tutorial started. All right, we are starting this hair tutorial out with clean, fresh hair, and I used the Herbal Essences Bio-Renew shampoo and conditioner. This is the Naked Volume White Grapefruit and Mocha Mint scent. But first thing I'm gonna do is dry this wet hair that I just washed. So I will see you in a minute. Okay, the hair is dry. The first thing I'm going to do before we get this tutorial started is I'm going to throw a little bit of the Herbal Essences Bio-Renew Volume White Grapefruit and Mocha Mint dry shampoo. I'm going to be using this in the tutorial to give me texture. That's one thing that if you don't have a texturizing spray on hand, dry shampoo is your best friend, especially if you have fine hair. Always use it on clean hair still, because it's going to give me lift and texture. Okay, and now we're gonna get this look started. I'm gonna work in 3 sections. I'm gonna speed a lot of this up so you can see how I do it quickly, but I'm gonna do the very bottom section, and I'm gonna show you how I wrap my hair. I am using a 1-inch curling wand. This is really gonna help me get that tighter curl as opposed to more of a wave or a loose curl. So I'm gonna take it in small sections and wrap it around the barrel and leave a little bit of the end out and just let it sit there for a second. So I'm not gonna touch that, not gonna spray it, not gonna run my fingers through it, nothing until I am completely done with my head. Another thing to kind of get a really wavy type curl is to kind of twist the piece of hair and then put it on the curling wand, so you're going to get a little bit more of wave and it's going to be even more texturized. You see how that's like a very tight curl? So I'm going to go ahead and do the whole bottom of my head. Again, you need to make sure that you do not touch it, do not spray it, do not put your fingers on it. You have to let it completely cool down before you do anything to it. Okay, I got this first layer of my hair done. Okay, and now that we've got the second layer done, we're gonna do the third layer. You know, the reason why I do this in small layers is just because, and you can, if you have thicker hair, you could even do this in 4 or 5 layers, and it just makes sure that you get like a really small piece of hair to be able to wrap around the barrel. The smaller the piece of hair, the tighter the curls you will get overall. I actually think that I am going to do this in pieces and let pieces of my hair down at the top and curl them in small pieces at a time. And now that we're at the very top sections of my hair, I like to get it in the part that I want. I'm going to try and go for a center part look today. So that way I'm only left with this little bit of hair left to curl, and it's really going to work with the part that I've selected. Okay, my whole head is done and it looked like curly Q. Like I said before, you want to make sure these curls completely cool down, and I'm going to show you how I kind of take this and make it still seem like really tight curls, but give it a more, you know, just kind of loosen it up, make it look a little bit more lived in. Alright, so now that I've made sure that the curls have cooled completely down, I'm going to go ahead and use my fingers to kind of comb through some of them. I don't want to break a lot of them up too much. I just want to kind of pull them apart a little bit. I don't want to completely lose the tight curl of how this is looking. Now the next thing I'm using in place of, like I said, a texture spray, I'm going to use the Herbal Essences Volume White Grapefruit and Mosa Mint Dry Shampoo, and just sort of spray it in different spots in my hair where I want to give even more texture. So I usually do it around kind of this area. If I want to undo this a little bit more, I can take a flat iron. I just have like a regular 1-inch flat iron, and I'm going to kind of target it at the ends of where I curled, because sometimes, you know, the barrel of the wand can kind of hit all of it, and I might want to kind of straighten a little bit of it out, especially like the ends. I just love the effect that that gives, and that literally takes like 3 seconds to do on my hair. And this is the final look. I think this is such a perfect hair look for not only every day, but it's great for the holidays. It feels extra festive and fun and flirty. You know, I just think it's fun. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial. I hope that you give it a try this holiday season and beyond. Let me know if you go out and purchase this amazing kit from Herbal Essences. It's such a great deal for under $10. Like I said before, you can find it at your local Walmart. Thank you so much again for watching this video. I hope you loved it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!